Hello viewers! In this video, I will show you how to print multiple PowerPoint slides on a single page using the best possible method. First, press Ctrl-P to open the print screen. Next, select 4 slides per page. As you can see, a large portion of the page remains empty. This wastes both paper and printing resources. Now, go back to the print layout section and select Scale to Fit Paper. This method is better, but it's still not perfect. Even if we select 6 slides per page, there is still unnecessary space between the slides. So, what is the perfect method? Let's find out. Go back and open the print screen again. Change the printer and select Microsoft Print to PDF, or any PDF printer, to convert the entire PowerPoint presentation into a PDF file.
Once the PDF is created, open it. Now print the PDF file. In the print settings, select multiple pages per sheet. Set 2 rows and 3 columns per page. You will notice that this is the best method because there are almost no unnecessary margins between the slides. You can even set 4 columns per page if the slides are still clearly visible and readable. Finally, click the Print button to print your document. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.